Hello, this is Yamil Sued at Gunstock Reviews, and here we are at Gun Sight Academy in beautiful Portland, Arizona on a beautiful late summer day. We're getting ready to show you the latest and greatest from Remington. Okay, I love 1911, I love 45, and I love double stack high capacity. 15 rounds of 45 ACP on this Remington R1 Tactical. It has a tactical rail, 3-hole aluminum trigger, front or rear sights, high sights for suppressors, threaded barrel with thread protector for your suppressor, G10 grips, ambidextrous thumb safety. You have your very well fit Beaver tail grip safety and your skeletonized hammer. This, oh, I forgot, checkering on the front strap, really comfortable, fine checkering. It's a great grip for this pistol. Like I said, I love 1911, I love 45, and I love high capacity. So let's go to the range and shoot it a little bit. We don't happen to have the suppressor today for this pistol, but in the future we'll get a suppressor and we'll go ahead and shoot it with it. Well folks, let's go have some 1911 45 ACP double stack fun. Let's go see how it performs. That's a lot of 1911 fun without reloading.